Also, a good number of teens are picking up some black cat Jason Voorhees what Halloween shirt trash ideologies from the internet. Plenty of parents usually won't have a clue until their kids are deep in it. Must be a southern school. Or northern. Or western. You know what? This is just a black cat Jason Voorhees what Halloween shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Sweatshirt and hoodie. Education doesn't fix this. Neither does training. Everyone in that black cat Jason Voorhees what Halloween shirt video should have confronted that boy. Society should force racists to conform. Society should police itself and each racist should be held to account. I mean, someone looking at this video is educated in some form. That racist comments will get you reprimanded. It could change the way they think. Not all racism comes from a deep hatred of another race. It's sometimes learned by their parents or friends. It can also be unlearned. They either learn it from someone else or it is a response to their environment. Other products.